Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of DevOps.
If you're curious about how to streamline your software development process and enhance collaboration between teams, you're in the right place.
Today, we are breaking down the essentials of DevOps in a way that's simple and engaging, perfect for beginners.
Imagine a world where developers and operations teams work hand in hand, delivering high-quality software at lightning speed. That's the magic of DevOps.
It's all about fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement.
So, how do you get started? First, let's talk about the key concepts. DevOps combines development DEV and operations OPS to create a seamless workflow.
Think of it as a bridge that connects the two worlds, allowing for faster releases and more reliable systems.
You don't need to be a coding wizard to grasp these ideas, just a willingness to learn.
Next, we'll introduce you to some essential tools that can make your DevOps journey smoother.
Tools like Git for version control, Jenkins for continuous integration, and Docker for containerization are just a few examples.
Don't worry if these terms sound a bit technical right now. We'll guide you through each one step by step in our upcoming tutorials.
Remember, the goal of DevOps is not just about tools, but also about mindset.
Embrace a culture of collaboration, feedback, and learning. It's okay to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones on your path to success.
Thank you for joining us today.
We're excited to embark on this DevOps journey with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Let's make learning DevOps fun and accessible together.